Hello, tutor Rene from the course Phonetics and Phonology. I'm Luis Fernando Alvarez, and today I really want to share my video regarding the three symbols chosen for this present activity. To start with, I would like to say that I'm going to be talking about these three symbols, the ch, j, and the k sound. So here we go. So let's start with this sh symbol. It is an unvoiced, and j, according to the IPA, this is a voice sound, meaning that there is a little vibration here on the vocal cords when you pronounce, like in the word June, there's a vibration right here, June, and sh is a voice sound, meaning there is no vibration on the vocal cords. So when you pronounce this symbol, there is no vibration at all. Sh, sh, she's like in cheese. Also, these two symbols take the same mouth position, meaning there is about the subconsonant that is on the first place. The air clock stops to make the sound, and the second part it releases. So look at, for example, the position of my lips when I pronounce this symbol. When I pronounce this symbol, sh, and j. So the roof of the mouth in the front raises up a little bit, and also there is another sound when we finish the pronunciation of each symbol. Sorry. So let's practice these a couple of words related to each symbols. Watch my mouth as I pronounce this. So let's start with this one. Match, match. The position of my mouth. So the tongue raises a little bit up to try to touch the soft palate. Catch, such, much. Now let's try with this voice sound, as in reach, judge, reach, edge. Okay. Now I would like to practice on this sound, which is the k, k. It's a voice sound, meaning there is no vibration here on the vocal cords. When you touch, you pronounce the symbol, you say k, k. There is no vibration a lot. So here in this word, car is also a subconsonant, meaning there's two sounds, one that stops the air and another that releases the air. So meaning that the tongue touches, try to move up inside your mouth, car, and then releases the air. So there's some exercises that I would like to, some words I would like to suggest regarding this symbol, like this. Can, come, cause, kid, kid. Also the position kid, kid. So the although it's not possible to see, but my tongue is trying to raise a little bit up, so to make the sound. I want to propose a couple of exercises for each symbol. For the embossed symbol, like in the words char, chum, march, champion. Now with the voiced sound j, jar, jump, jab, juice. And for the sound k, like in cry, core, cure, and case. Also, I would like to propose another exercise pronounces the phonetic symbols within sentences. This is a voice sound. This is the unvoiced sound. Let's try this out. The man on the bridge is my teacher. The man on the bridge is my teacher. He teaches us to get the best job in the world. He teaches us to get the best job in the world. And finally, he has the key of the car. He has the key of the car. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.